Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV here's a breaking news. Yeah, the government on August 11, 2023 introduced three new bills in the Lok Sabha to replace the Indian Penal Code, that is called the IPC, the Evidence Act of 1872 and the Criminal PC 1973. The three new criminal laws which came into effect on July 1st, 2024 are old wine in new bottle, says Justice Chelameswar, former Supreme Court judge. There is a charge in nomenclature, but basically the replacements are cosmetic. It is no more than window dressing. Justice Chelameswar, who retired in June 2018 as the second most senior Supreme Court judge, told this reporter. The government on August 11, 2023 introduced three new bills in the Lok Sabha to replace the Indian Penal Code IPC, the Evidence Act of 1872 and the Code of Criminal Procedures 1973, which lie at the heart of the criminal justice system in India. The move is aimed at simplifying procedures, making the laws relevant to the contemporary situation, providing speedy justice and taking the law out of its colonial mindset. Where handing out punishments rather than providing justice was the aim of British rulers. The point is, will the new laws deliver what they are proclaiming? Chelameswar says, I have my great doubts, even though I am still in the process of reading the law minutely. From what I can see, prima facie, some of the changes and additions are superfluous. Under the changes introduced in the Indian Evidence Act, now known as the BSA, courts are allowed a maximum of 2 adjournments to avoid unnecessary delays in case hearings. Criminal case judgment must be delivered within 45 days after the trial ends. Charges must be framed within 60 days of the first hearing. How on earth are the courts going to deliver such stringent deadlines? Do you have wherewithal? He said. Chelameswar said again, everyone is familiar with the efficiency of the system. The judgment is not only in the hands of the judges. You need highly efficient and well-trained staff to meet deadlines. Do we have them? He asked. According to him, it is highly doubtful if early disposal, the professed aims of the new laws, will morph into reality anytime soon. For offences committed before 1st July 2024, the earlier IPC and the procedural laws of Criminal PC and Evidence Act will apply, and trials will continue as such. For offences committed from 1st July 2024, the three new laws will come into force. There are serious concerns that more than 80% of the court system in India lacks basic digital info facilities, which poses a major challenges for implementing the new laws. In Justice Chelameswar's view, the bail provisions will become even more stringent and tortuous. The maximum detention period in police custody is extended from 15 days to 90 days for serious offences, a significant departure from the criminal PC's 15-day limit, he said. The changes has increased concern about potential police excesses, and also the apex court judge also raised questions about the system of public prosecution in the country, a primary requisite for smoothing out the country's judicial system. Yeah, everyone knows how public prosecutors are appointed. Over a period, a lot of irrelevant and unwanted considerations have crept into the selections and appointment processes of public prosecutors all over the country. If in a case the charges are not framed in accordance with the mandate of law, the blame must be squarely taken by both the bar and the bench. These maladies have not been addressed, said Justice Chelameswar. BN's exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.